Yeah, hi, good evening. So, in last class, we have discussed about recycler view. So, that part we have completed. Right. Today, we will concentrate on the next step. So, that is the dialogues. So, how we need to do that dialogues that we will see. For that, now I am create project. Then after that, we will discuss. There are different kind of dialogues, and what is dialogue that we will discuss it. So with MTV's activity, I have created that. So that is the dialogue. So just have created a dialogue. So dialogue is nothing but like which can alert the user. So which can alert the user. So in this, there are different types of dialogues will be available. Like so one is predefined. So predefined, custom, progress, then date, and time. So date and time. So these all are the different kind of dialogues. So this in detail we will discuss one by one. In detail, we will discuss one by one. So that we will see here one by one. Like predefined. If you go with the predefined, so there are certain limitations in a predefined dialog. So in a predefined dialog, you can create only two text views and three text views and three buttons and two text views. Like certain limitations will be there, but other that does not have any restrictions. So that we will see here, that we will see, that we will create here. So we will see here that one. So then next thing here, like if you go to the next here, so first the project is created, right? So project is created here. So we'll have a button. So like here we will open this. So then we minimize. So first here we will create. So here we are discussing with the relative layout only, right? So same we will enable here relative layout. So relative layout. Within this relative layout, here I'll add layout. So I'll add here. It's like this, right? Now we will see here. So how it will work here. So that we will see here. So we have to see that how it will work and what are the things we have to do. So for this button, so these all are not required, right? We will remove. So instead of this, we will add here ID. So that is the TV1. Right. Then here now we will add one button. So the button will be here like match parent, wrap content ID. So that is the predefined. Predefined. Then text predefined. So now we have to give the relation here. So that is below of at the rate TV1 and we'll give some margin. So that is the 10 dp. We'll give this. Done. Like this, I have added it. Now, so far it is nothing new. All are hold on here. We will enable the data binding. So that is the var binding colon. So that is activity main binding. Oh, sorry. Here we not declared, right? So that's the reason it is not coming. So here I'm declaring the data binding. So data binding.
So can we take instead of data binding, view binding?
Yeah, view binding also we can take. Here you're asking here.
Yeah, sir. What is the difference between these tools?
Yeah. So normally, like see here, this data binding is the normal concept. Like here, we means if you do the data binding, so all the things will be tightly coupled to this XML to this, right? So and if you come to view binding, so that view binding only like be mapping this to that, only mapping with XML and this. So there is no certain limit, like it is a view binding will be okay, we can say that the view binding will be compared to this, it will be the lightweight but not this much of tightly coupled with the compare this two. So that is the reason most we are using this data binding only we are using, that is the reason main. So that is not that much of tightly coupled.
Okay.
So this is done. Now here we have to go here, right here, activity. So activity main binding. So just we add it, right? Maybe take time. Oh, sorry, we not synced this one. So once it is synced, then only it will come. Yeah, it is done. Now it will come equal to null. Right. So here we'll add that binding equal to data binding util dot. So here done. Now what is our intention? Once user click on that particular one, we have to create this, right? So binding dot predefined dot set on click listener. So once user click on this, so here we have to create a dialog, right? So for that, this we call, like we define here where predefined equal to, so predefined equal to, so that we called as an alert dialog. So alert dialog, alert dialog dot builder. So we have to create a builder. This means here itself we are creating the dialog. So in this, within this we have to pass the context. So this we have to pass the context of this. Then when you create any dialogues, like when you create any dialogues, so that must, it should be end with dot show. Otherwise dialogues cannot be shown, like similar to like toast also we are adding the dot show, right? So same here. So for this now redefine dot, here we have to set that is a set title. So I'm setting the title. So title like, are you sure? Like I'm asking, are you sure? Similar like predefined dot set message. So set message, want to close. Are you sure want to close? Something I'm asking, something message. Then here we can define three buttons. Like I'm creating the button. So set positive button. So set positive button. Here what name we have to display on the button. So just I'm defining as a yes. I want to display this yes. So here within this is the dialog interface. I think here it should come dialog interface. So dialog interface. So dialog interface. Right. So within this, now we have to write what we have to write. I'll write here one toast. Toast dot make text. This at the rate main activity. Just I'm writing the yes on here. Then post dot length long. So finally dot show. Like this save format, I'll define other two buttons. So this is the, instead of positive, we create here negative button. So negative button. Here I'll change this as a no, remaining all are the same. Just I'm changing here no. Here also changing as a no. Here now I can define one more here. So this is the cancel button. So this is the set neutral button. So neutral button. Here cancel. Right. Now I'm running this. We will see here. Now this output. So this is the first one that predefined. So in a predefined, only this much we can do, but even in this also we cannot do any other things we cannot do here in this. Just maybe taking a little bit time. Yeah, see this came here right now. I'm clicking here. Now it is showing here. See, this is the title, this is the message, and this is the cancel button. If I click cancel here, now it is displaying here as a cancel. Now clicking no, it is displaying as a no. Clicking yes, it is displaying yes. So like this, we have to create here this. Right. So this is the one way. This is like we have to create this. This is the one like here we have to create here. So that is the predefined. So in this, so whatever this view it is coming, so this we cannot customize. So this we cannot customize. So that is the reason this can be only like we do this for normal dialog. So that is the reason we have to go with the next because it has some drawback, right? So that's the reason we are going with the next steps. That is right. So far it is clear, right? So now we will see the next step. Just a minute, I'm getting one client call. 1 minute. Yeah. So sorry. Yeah, now we will see that next one. So that is a normal dialog. So for that, just I'll copy paste this. So here, custom. So this is the below of predefined. So here also this I created as a custom. Right. Now for this, we will apply the listener here. This. So coming here, binding dot custom dot set on click listener. So where binding, sorry, where custom dialog equal to, so that is simple dialog. Get this. So custom dialog dot show. So for this now, you have to create whatever this you have to you have to do that. You can do that. So for that now, uh, so custom dialog dot means here also we'll set up that this like we have to set up the UI like custom dialog dot set layout source. So custom dialog dot, why it is not coming? Custom dialog dot we will set up here source, that is the why it is not showing. Dot set title, set message, why it is not coming? Set content view. Yeah, this is the one, right? So here r dot layout dot, here I'm creating one layout, even XML, that is the custom. So I created a name custom. So now with this custom, here we have to create one XML file within a here. So in res folder, so here it will create one this. So here now I'll create here. So when I mouse over here, it is showing here. Just a minute. So from here, it is asking that create layout resource, or directly you can right click on a layout. You can create from there also. Now I'm clicking here. Now created XML file. Now this you can design how you want. So means you can design how you want. So this created with this, right? So now I'm changing this to linear layout. So linear layout. So then orientation vertical. Done. Right now here, from here, like whatever the data you want, that you can drag and drop. So just I want to drag and drop few elements from here, then we will see. Just we'll run and we'll see that. So button, text view, one image view also. So one switch, like what you want, that you can drag and drop. So for this, I'll give some margin by dp. Yeah, now I'm running. First we'll see the dialog, then we'll apply the listener and all here. Yeah, it is coming here. See, now I click on this. See, means whatever the content minimum you can taken, that has created like this here. Now if you can more, you can create an we have more content, it will be created as a more. So why this image is not coming? Okay, so image here we have to give src, so something has came. So I say launcher. Now it will come in a proper way. See, now I click this, it's coming like this. Right, now we will see here. So this you can give 10 padding 10 dp, and if you can click this, now it is not working here, but if I click side anywhere, that is closing here, right? Now just will apply the listener for this particular button. So here just you want to dot, so where button equal to button, so equal to null. Just I'm declaring the button here. Sorry, not equal to, here it is colon. Yeah. Then button equal to, so with this is not in a direct class. So that's the reason here we have to define this with reference of the dialog. So binding dot. So sorry, no need of binding here. Custom dialog dot find view by ID. So that is here you have to define r dot id dot button. Then button dot set on click listener. So now here I'll write some toast. So toast dot make text this at the rate main activity. From here now we will write custom. Then toast dot length long finite dot show done. So I'm adding here now. See, now I'm clicking this here. The toast is coming. Custom toast custom is coming here. But if I click this, it is closed. So to not do like that, here we have to add set cancelable false. Set cancelable false. See now what happens. If I click that also, it should not close. It should not close that. See now I'm clicking this. I'm clicking this. Toast is coming here. Toast is coming here. But I'm clicking this side, that side. It is not closing this. So to do that here, now we have to add one more thing here. There is that is like custom dialog. Custom dialog dot dismiss. So here we have to dismiss. On click itself means whenever user has to take action, user has to take action from the dialog. So this you can use set cancelable false, and whenever that required, you have to use that as the dismiss. See here now. Now if I'm clicking here, it is not happening. See even here, not happening, but I'm clicking this. It is closing and it's coming here. This is the custom dialog. Here, this custom dialog, like how you want that, you can define here in this. Whatever the design you will design here. So that way the dialog will come. Means here in the previous one, the text button size, button color, like text color, properties. So that we cannot customize in a previous version. But here, whatever you want, that you can easily customize that. So that is the advantage here. This. Right. So then next one, that is the progress dialog. So progress dialog. So here we will add that progress. What is, why it is not coming? Sorry, here we have to add button, right? So button. Just a minute, system got stuck. Just it's taking a little bit time. What happens only for this? Just a minute. So there is a progress dialog like that also we can create in a two ways. One is the horizontal and other is a vertical. So that we will see here. So after that there is a progress bar. So three we have to discuss. Then after that only we'll go to the date picker and the time picker. That dialogues will go. But just a minute, it is something, it is struck. So at least we'll restart that Android Studio. Where it went, complete our code. So the project was opened, but in this, Yeah, till we have that code. So here we are discussing, right? So here now we'll add one more button. So that is progress. Progress. Here also I'll add progress custom. Right. Then here now I'll add that one. So that is binding dot. So progress dot set on click listener. So var progress equal to, so that is the progress dialog is here. So the progress dialog this. So here now for this also like progress dot show. So for this we can set title. So set title, please wait. So for this even we can set message data loading. Please wait, data loading, something I created like this. Then here we have to define this, the progress dialog dot set progress style. So we have to define the progress style. So that is the progress dialog dot so style spinner. So style spinner you have to. Now I'm running this, we will see now. So that dialog, it rotated like circle will rotate. So that kind of thing it will create here now. See here progress. It is displaying like this. Please wait, content loading like this. So now similar way, we have one more in the same, everything will be same, just with small change. This will be the circle, right? So instead of progress, horizontal. So progress horizontal. This will be below progress. So this everything is common here, only with one small change. So this will change. That is the progress horizontal. Right here, instead of style this, I'll change style horizontal. Right now I'm running. We will see here this. Here now I'm clicking this. Like this, it will come here horizontal. So for this here we can set min and max value also, like that is the progress star. Set min, set max equal to 50. Min is there, right? Min is not there, only max we can set up that. So means here now it is showing here 100. Now instead of 100, it show only the 50. So now I'm clicking 50 like this. So in this, one more is pending. So that is the progress bar. So that progress bar we have to define here. So we'll define the progress bar. Then we will see the next date picker and time picker in tomorrow's class, because 2 minutes is not sufficient for that. So that we will see tomorrow. So as it is, you can practice now. Till this, we'll see in next class tomorrow.